and a couple of days of really hard work on the racks, being absolutely brutal. That's a pair of fuel injection P18 doors, a P18S door, a P18 boot lid, which is halfway decent. Well, the back edge is going, so that's why it's there. That's a fuel injection nose cone there, which is quite nice. A pair of PV wings, which are eminently restorable. It's only the front end that's been slightly damaged in both cases. There we go there. Somebody started restoring this one, and then that one's just a bit crumpled, otherwise perfect. So a pair of PV wings, a PV scuttle, nose section there, and just a huge amount, including an entire Aga sitting in here. That hurt. Throwing away an Aga. How do you throw away an Aga? So there we go. 2 days work on our racks, and our racks are beginning to look really sensible now.